Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Citi mobile bank app. If you are not logged in already, enter your username and password to sign up. After that, go to the setting and security. Here you should see an option like Face ID, Touch ID or biometric login. Tap it to open the biometric setting, then turn on and switch Face ID or Touch ID. Your phone will ask you to confirm using your Face ID. Just follow the on-screen instruction and confirm. If you don't see the biometric option in the Citi mobile bank app, here's how to fix it. Open the setting app. In the search bar, type Citi mobile. Make sure Face ID and passcode or Touch ID is allowed for this app. This let app use your biometric login setting. Once it's enabled, the next time you open Citibank, you will see option to log in with Face ID or Touch ID, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.